Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review PPC Shortcut by Wayne Crow and his partner. Now PPC Shortcut is releasing on 14th of October at 9 AM EST, so we're straight onto the sales page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the members area of PPC Shortcut. Then I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo of PPC Shortcut. I'm going to be sharing with you what you can expect in the front end, as well as I'm going to be sharing with you what are the OTOs or upgrades of PPC Shortcut, what are the pricing point of each of those OTOs, and basically what are the features inside each of those OTOs. All right. So also I've got some bonuses for you if you decide to pick up PPC Shortcut through the link right below this video. And I'm going to be telling you a short and sweet, a real honest reason of why you should be considering this product, because it's going to really help you in your online business if you are looking for really high quality traffic. All right. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see basically what is PPC Shortcut. So in a nutshell, PPC Shortcut is kind of like done for you campaigns, where they're going to be giving you 15 done for you campaigns. All of these campaigns you can just plug and play on Adwords. Okay, so these are done for you Adwords campaign of ClickBank offers. You're going to be promoting ClickBank offers, so they have designed all the stuff. They have got you, so let me go into the members area. So they have got campaigns from ClickBank, they have got campaigns from jvc.com, then Warrior Plus. Okay, and here's some of the bridge side. That means there are some of the upsells. All right, so I'm going to be showing you a short software demo from this guy. He is the software creator, so that you understand exactly what you're going to be getting with the front end.
Hey guys, it's David Casa here, and we are super pumped about our upcoming launch called PPC Shortcut. Now, we are going live on the 14th of October at 10 AM EST. Now, let me give you a quick sneak peek into what your customers will be getting when they purchase PPC Shortcut. Now, in a nutshell, PPC Shortcut is a collection of done-for-you PPC campaigns that are properly structured, and they're ready to be uploaded directly to your customers' Google Ads account. Inside this members area, they'll have access to Warrior Plus products, JVZoo products, ClickBank products, and a lot more, which is really, really cool. So once they select the affiliate campaign that they want to use, they simply select it here, and then they download the resources. Once they've downloaded the resources directly to their computer, all they need to do is head on over to the Google Ads editor, which will show them how to use inside the training program. Now, once they go here, they simply import the CSV file. Let me just quickly show you this in real time. As you can see, it'll import the thousands of keywords that we've already done the research for them. They don't have to waste time or hire an agency or do any of that. We've done all the keyword research for all of these ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo products, and we've created all the ads. Now, as you can see, in just a few seconds, we've imported 12,000 ads, and we've imported all these keywords, created all the ad groups, and this is what your customers would have normally had to do manually, but with the PPC Shortcut system, they don't have to do it manually. We've done all the hard work for them. All they need to do is simply download the CSV file, upload it to the ads editor, and then simply post it to their account by clicking this post button in the top right hand corner. Let me just quickly show you. Let me go into this campaign here. And as you can see, we have added 4,062 ad groups. This particular campaign is for the home business, make money online niche. And they don't have to do any of this keyword research. They didn't have to create these ad groups one by one. And they didn't have to add all of these adverts manually either. There's over 12,000 adverts that are ready to go. All they need to do is simply select the let me just quickly show you. They just need to select the ads, change the domain name to their domain name, and then click post. It really is that simple. We're saving them so much time, money, and energy. All they need to do is upload this directly to their Google Ads account. And as you can see, there are many, many different ClickBank products. There's JVZoo products and a series of Warrior Plus products as well. This really is a done-for-you PPC shortcut. We're really looking forward, guys, to seeing you on the leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you soon.
All right, so that was the software demo from David. Okay, so I'm really excited about this product because it's not going to just teach you how to create AdWords, how to create a PPC or pay-per-click advertisement on AdWords, but it's literally going to give you done-for-you ads. Okay, and you can get done-for-you ads in all of these products. You can see over here, these are some of the high converting offers on ClickBank, and you can just plug and play. This is complete a game changer for those people who are just looking to get a done-for-you solution. All right. So here, JV's campaign. I'm not gonna go to all of those because then it's gonna be totally unfair with the vendor. All right. So here's the front end, and the front end is deadly cheap. It's like 13 bucks. Okay. Top of that, they're gonna be giving you. If you try to exit now, let me show you. When you click the link below this video, and when you wait for a few seconds, and when you try to close this page, there's going to be a pop-up which will appear over here, which is going to give you a $3 off discount coupon code. Okay, now you can get it for $10. Okay, but if you think that they are going to be giving you real value in the front end, just get it at 30 bucks because $3 is a lot more less than what you are getting inside this awesome looking product. And I really like that. All right, so this is for the front end. You're going to be getting done for campaign from AdWords. For AdWords, you can basically create for AdWords for ClickBank, a JVZoo product, and Warrior Plus. All right, now coming to the OTOs. The first OTO is going to be the done for you bridge pages. Now bridge pages is something that you need to do when somebody clicks on the ad on Google AdWords. They're going to be taken not directly to the ClickBank offer. They're going to be taken to a landing page where they're going to be giving you more information about the product. They're going to be telling the visitor more information about what kind of problem you're facing and what kind of solution is there with that ClickBank product. So they basically going to be pre-selling the product for you. Okay, so what you're going to be getting with the OTO one is a done for you bridge pages, and this is really hard when it comes to this kind of like ClickBank offers to create done for you bridge pages like for this kind of niche or this kind of offers. It's really hard. You have to pay a lot of money to on Fiverr, on Upwork.com, or outsource this kind of work. Okay, so with the OTO one, what you're going to be getting a done for you bridge pages for just $27. Okay, and they have got also a Downsell for done for you bridge pages, which is for 17 bucks. But I don't know if they have cut down some because for $27 you're going to be getting a lot more, but for Downsell maybe you are going to be getting a bit less than the upsell price. All right, so if you can get it at upsell price, get it at $27. All right, the next OTO is going to be the mega campaigns pack with a click domination for $37. This is going to be a mega big bundle package of done for you campaigns for you at $37. Also there's a Downsell for you at $27. All right, now if you don't have time for doing all this stuff, they have got a PPC Kit plus done for you services in OTO number 3, which is going to be at $97. So if you don't have time to create this ad in your AdWords account, they're going to be providing you with the services if you are interested. Okay, for $97 they're going to be doing this all for you. Okay, also they have got a recurring offer where you can get it for $67 per month. All right, also you can attend a PPC Shortcut for live masterclasses at $147. So on the live classes which Wayne actually conducts every single week, it's like a 1 hour 2 hour training, and he just gives value on that live call. So it's really going to help you in the long term. Also, you should be developing some good relationship with Wayne, because Wayne is a brilliant traffic provider. Okay, he's a great person, he's a good honest guy, and most importantly, he's an absolute beast when it comes to sending traffic. All right, so if you are interested, you can get it. Okay, it's not a compulsion, but if you want to attend this class live, you can get it at $147. Also, they've got the last OTO, which is a smart split software for $497, and they have not got no information about it over here on the JB page, so I'm not going to recommend it right now. You can get it later on, because for the upgrades, definitely you can see over here they're going to be giving you information. You can get it from here also. Okay, so it's not gonna go out of the member server. It's going to be present inside a member server. You can get it later on. Okay, so that was something I'm really pumped about. Okay, about this product. I really liked it. To top it off, I have added 42 awesome courses, softwares as a bonus for you if you decide to pick up PPC Shortcut through the link right below this video. So you would get not such crap PLR products. These are high quality software digital products which have sold thousands of units over here. All right, and you can go through each of those bonuses which I'm going to be giving you. I'm going to be putting all this information right below this video in the description. So before you go to the sales page, by clicking the link below, please go through the description to see what kind of bonuses you're going to be getting with my recommendation, or with my affiliate link, basically. All right, so that was my review for PPC Shortcut. I really like it. I really want everybody who's looking for high quality traffic, a done for you solution and paid traffic, to get it. And if you ever want to create an ad on AdWords, trust me, you can basically also use the same ad with Bing ads. You can use the same ad with other PPC campaign. Okay, it's gonna really work, because something which is approved on AdWords, trust me, it's the best. It's the best PPC campaign. All right, so thank you so much for watching my PPC Shortcut review video. I hope to see you inside a member server. If you still have any questions, you can always comment below this video, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. Your bonuses are going to be delivered straight away through the Warrior Plus, so you don't even have to contact me. But for any reason, if you're finding any difficulty in getting my bonuses, please reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook link is given below the description. Send me a message, and I'm going to be sending you the bonuses within 12 to 24 hours. All right. Thank you so much, my friend, and have a great day. Bye-bye.